Dear children, today we are going to learn how we can deduce the formula of various ionic compounds by crisscross method. Here is the first ionic compound, which is magnesium phosphate. In order to write its formula, it is very important to learn the symbols of various cations and anions. So let us start writing, or let us start finding out the formula of magnesium phosphate. Now, this magnesium phosphate is an ionic compound which is made of magnesium ion and phosphate ion. So, I have written the names of two ions of which this compound is made. Now, taking help of the table, I am going to write the symbols of these ions. Magnesium ion, as we can see here, its symbol is Mg2 plus. So, I am going to write the symbol of magnesium ion. And we need to be careful that 2 plus, that is the charge, is written as superscript. We are doing crisscross method, so I've put a cross in between. Now I am going to write the formula of phosphate ion. As from the table we can see that phosphate ion is PO4 3 minus. So I am going to write the formula of phosphate ion over here. PO4 3 minus. Now 4 is a subscript over here, as it is telling us the number of oxygen atoms. However, 3 minus is the charge, which is written as superscript. Now children, when we are going to use crisscross method, we are actually crisscrossing the charges. So what is going to happen is 3 is going to come as a subscript of magnesium and 2 will come as a subscript of PO4. So this is how we are going to crisscross. So we are going to write our formula as Mg. We are going to write our formula as Mg. Since 3 will come as a subscript, we are going to write 3 here as subscript. Now, we are going to put PO4 in bracket because this ion PO4 has two elements, phosphorus and oxygen. So we put it in bracket like this, and then we are going to write 2 as a subscript because 2 from here is going to come as a subscript of PO4. So this becomes our formula Mg3PO4 twice. We can quickly take up another compound, and let's take up aluminium oxide. In order to find the formula of aluminium oxide, we are going to write the symbols of aluminium ion and oxide ion. Aluminium ion is Al3 plus, whereas oxide ion is O2 minus. So I am going to quickly write these charges as superscripts. Now, after doing the crisscross, we see 2 will come as a subscript with aluminium, 3 will come as a subscript with oxygen. So my formula of aluminium oxide would become Al2O3. So the formula of aluminium oxide is Al2O3. So it is very easy to deduce the formulae of various ionic compounds provided that we are clear with the table of symbols of cations and anions.